1966 Chevy C10 short bed, priced at $80,000, located in Miami. This classic truck is presented in excellent condition and remains fully roadworthy for daily driving or weekend cruising. Under the hood is a dependable 8-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The rear-wheel drive system delivers the authentic classic truck driving experience. It has an odometer reading of 59,532 miles. The exterior is finished in a clean white paint that highlights its timeless design. With a clean title and well-maintained overall condition, this Chevy C10 short bed is an outstanding choice for classic truck enthusiasts and collectors alike. 1961 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, priced at $269,900. This iconic American sports car is presented in very good condition and is completely roadworthy, making it an excellent choice for collectors and driving enthusiasts. Powered by a gasoline engine and matched with a smooth automatic transmission, it delivers a comfortable driving experience. The front-wheel drive system provides stable handling on various roads. The odometer shows only 1,459 miles, reflecting limited use. Finished in an elegant silver exterior with a clean title, this classic Corvette combines timeless styling, dependable performance, and impressive collector appeal in one remarkable package. 1973 Ford Maverick Coupe, priced at $39,900, located in Pompano Beach. This classic coupe is presented in excellent condition and is fully roadworthy, making it an outstanding choice for collectors and vintage car enthusiasts. Under the hood is a powerful 8-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission for a comfortable driving experience. The rear-wheel drive system delivers the authentic performance expected from an American classic. The odometer reads 52,821 miles. Finished in a sleek black exterior with a clean title, this well-maintained Ford Maverick offers timeless styling, dependable performance, and lasting collector appeal. 1976 Cadillac Seville, priced at $19,500, located in Fort Lauderdale. This classic luxury sedan is presented in very good condition and is fully roadworthy, making it an appealing option for collectors and enthusiasts of vintage American automobiles. Powered by a gasoline engine and paired with a smooth automatic transmission, it offers a comfortable and relaxed driving experience. The odometer displays 90,000 miles, reflecting years of careful ownership and regular maintenance. With a clean title and timeless Cadillac styling, this Seville delivers classic elegance, dependable performance, and lasting value for anyone looking to own a well-preserved American luxury classic. 1956 Ford Fairlane Victoria Coupe, priced at $22,950, located in Fort Lauderdale. This beautifully preserved classic coupe is presented in excellent condition and is fully roadworthy, making it an outstanding choice for collectors and vintage car enthusiasts. It is powered by a strong 8-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission, delivering an engaging and authentic driving experience. The rear-wheel drive layout maintains the legendary character of this iconic American classic. The odometer reads 70,200 miles. Finished in a striking red exterior with a clean title, this Ford Fairlane Victoria offers timeless style, dependable performance, and exceptional collector appeal. 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle convertible, priced at $36,000, located in Hollywood. This beautiful classic convertible is presented in like-new condition and is fully roadworthy, making it an excellent choice for collectors and enthusiasts alike. It is powered by a reliable 8-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission, delivering an engaging and authentic driving experience. The odometer shows only 12,000 miles, reflecting very limited use over the years. Finished in an attractive blue exterior with a clean title, this Chevrolet Chevelle convertible combines timeless styling, impressive performance, and outstanding collector value, making it a remarkable American classic worth considering. 1967 Ford F-250 Ranger Camper Special Pickup, priced at $27,500. This classic pickup is presented in excellent condition and is fully roadworthy, making it a fantastic option for collectors and vintage truck enthusiasts. It is powered by a dependable 8-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission for comfortable driving. The rear-wheel drive system preserves the authentic character and performance expected from a classic American pickup. The odometer reads 36,099 miles, with a clean title and a well-maintained overall condition. This Ford F-250 Ranger Camper Special offers timeless styling, reliability, and outstanding collector appeal. 1971 Oldsmobile Toronado Coupe, priced at $59,980. This classic American coupe is presented in very good condition and is fully roadworthy, making it an excellent choice for collectors and enthusiasts of vintage automobiles. Powered by a reliable gasoline engine and paired with a smooth automatic transmission, it delivers a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. The odometer shows 56,264 miles, reflecting careful ownership and regular maintenance. Finished in an eye-catching red exterior with a clean title, this Oldsmobile Toronado offers timeless styling, dependable performance, and lasting collector appeal for anyone seeking a distinctive American classic. 1975 Plymouth Roadrunner, priced at $17,500, located in Hollywood. This iconic American muscle car is presented in good condition and is fully roadworthy, making it a great opportunity for collectors and classic car enthusiasts. Under the hood is a powerful 8-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission for an enjoyable driving experience. The odometer shows only 5,000 miles, reflecting very limited use. Finished in a clean white exterior with a clean title, this Plymouth Roadrunner combines bold styling, dependable performance, and classic muscle car heritage, making it an attractive addition to any vintage automobile collection. 1970 Cadillac Eldorado Superfly, priced at $22,000. This distinctive American classic is presented in very good condition and is fully roadworthy, making it an excellent choice for collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate vintage luxury automobiles. Powered by a reliable gasoline engine and paired with a smooth automatic transmission, it delivers a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. The odometer displays 82,000 miles, reflecting years of careful ownership and regular use. With a clean title and timeless Cadillac styling, this Eldorado Superfly offers classic elegance, dependable performance, and lasting collector appeal, making it a standout addition to any classic car collection.